Welcome to the bustling heart of UCD, the Newman Building.
This is the place where you'll spend a lot of your undergrad time. So let's take a look inside. We know that this building is huge and might be tricky to navigate. That's why we have these colorful lines in here.
Each colorful line corresponds to a different corridor depending on what you're looking for. So let's follow the yellow brick road. First off, we're here at one of the many student lounges, a place for you to chill out or catch up on some studies.
This is one of the many lecture halls that you will be studying at.
One of the cool things about the Newman Building is that it has two tunnels. One tunnel which connects you to the James Joyce Library and the other tunnel which connects you directly to the Tierney Building.
This way you don't have to leave the place even if it's raining. If you're gifted with a music talent, you can book one of the practice rooms to unleash your creativity.
You can find photocopying and printing services here, as well as a Ucard bureau.
Depending on your school, there will be a lot of student services where you can talk about personal or academic matters. Another cool place in Newman is Bluebird Cafe, a great place to get some coffee or have a good chat with your friends.
There's a lot more to see of the Newman Building throughout the academic year, like an in-house museum and events, so you don't want to miss out on this one.
Thank you for coming along, and we'll see you in the next video.